Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna be showing. I'm gonna be showing you all my fidgets. I only have 7 fidgets. This is probably gonna be a short video. I know I look very tired. I woke up like a couple hours ago, like at 10. It's like I don't know, whatever. No one cares. So make sure to subscribe and then the little bell. Comment out, hit like this video. Comment down below what you recommend next. And yeah, tomorrow I actually want to make a video about playing fashion famous. I was doing decide making a fashion famous video or a fit video. I decided to do a fit video a fit video in a long time. As I said already, I only have 7 fidgets, so it's gonna be. I just got 3 tangles like in like the mail like 7 literally 7 minutes ago. My mom was going to the store and then she went to the mailbox and then bring them to me. This is why I love my mom, because she just makes everything better. I love my mom. So let's get to it. So we're gonna start with the 3 tangles. Tangles are the best fidgets for me because I feel like I have anxiety or ADHD. I haven't got tested. Wait, do you think, like, I don't know how you I don't know how you know if you like have anxiety or have ADHD, but I think I do actually, because like I really think I do, because I'm always like picking my nails, biting my nails. Like I need to do something. I need to do something to like make me busy. I don't think that's for like anxiety or anything, but yeah. It was so much fun to play with. I couldn't stop playing with these after my mom gave it to me. I literally couldn't stop. So I have a yellow, give me much McDonald's vibes. No, I don't care actually. These like are actually kind of like a cool, like these like colors go together. So a red and yellow one, a kind of like a 4th of July, blue and red one, and I have an orange and blue one. Yes. So much fun. I'm probably gonna get a fidget cube or a mochi. A tangle with my dream fidget. Now I finally got it. My next dream fidget is a mochi or a infinity cube. And then I got this rainbow circle fidget. It does have a bad side. Hold on, I'm gonna rate my fidgets. 10 out of 10. Definitely, I love tingles with my dream fidget. 10 out of 10. No, actually 12 out of 10. These are so good. Amazing. Oh, so adorable. Yeah, I was saying, rainbow circle fidget. This is it does have a bad side. This is a bad side. It's kind of hard to, like, you see, like, and then now, this is a good side. Did you hear that? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. We got a rainbow square one, and it does have a bad side too. It's the best I'm playing right now. I did not know it had bad sides like yesterday. And then very fun. And these are like 9 out of 10 because they have a bad side, but other than that, pretty good poppets. People say poppets. Well, my friend said poppets are not fidgets. They're poppets, like poppets, like they are fidgets, but they're not fidgets. I have 2 puppets. I was like counting how many puppets I had to him. He's like, I have a lot of puppets. I'm like, cool. And I'm like, I have 2 puppets and 1 like little squishy and 1 slinky. And he's like, puppets are not fidgets. I'm like, yes, they is. Yes, they are. They're just called different things. I don't know. But 9 out of 10 because they have a bad side. Other than that, amazing fidgets. Now this little doggy squishy, not the best. It's just a squishy. I just bought it. I don't know why. Kind of mochi, not really. And it does this, kind of cool. I don't know, dude. I don't know how to rate this. I just don't really play with it that often. I do play with it, but like it's just a little boring. I think I'll give this 6 out of 10. Sorry, it's good, but it's just I don't know. What a slinky. People say they don't like the slinky that much. I don't either. I didn't know slinky was a fidget, but like I guess it's kind of like fidget because it's like textured. Ouch. I don't really know, but I don't know. It's like it's fun. I didn't know. You guys want to? I'm sure you guys something, but okay. I give this 4 out of 10. I'm sorry. It's just not the best. I don't know. It's just not the best fidget in the world. I found the best fidget to me, my opinion, is the Tangle. Maybe I'll say the worst fidget is the Tangle in the future. I don't know. Go for something else. Comment down below if you watch Mariah Elizabeth. She posts every Friday, right? Yesterday was Friday. She didn't post. Like, I don't want to get like too. I don't know. But I saw that she like put things in front of her, and then like she just like drew it. So I'm gonna show you. I did yesterday. I got a lot of drawings. I love the draw girls. God, I love the girls. I need like a name for you guys. Like, girlies, no, I'm not worried. Okay, this one is golden, a Hawaiian girl. I made this. Oh, oops. I made this, and yesterday I marred this. So this is my actual puppet. Watch me make a like. I don't know. Okay, so I got a puppet. I got this lip smacker, and then what else? Okay, a little crystal. My friend in 2nd grade gave it to me. And then this little heart-shaped rock. Like, I got it. It's not molded or anything. Like, I promise you guys, this little slime. I promise you guys, I will not lie to you guys. This is not molded. My dad gave it to me like 1 year ago, and like he used to work at like a construction place, and he found this for me. Like, it's literally a heart. It's literally it's a rock shaped as a heart. It's so cool. And I drew that, so like that, and there's this little like, where's this at? This little like place. It's called Make a Wish. No, Make a Wish. As You Wish. Make a Wish. I think it's Make a Wish or As You Wish. I think it's As You Wish. No, I think it's Make a Wish. I have no idea. I know like wish. I like wish. Okay. So you get like a little pottery, and like you color it. I did it with my friend Hannah like a year ago, and it's so cute. And I drew it. My nana for the stick. I didn't know how to really draw a stick. Yeah, I know. But how do you get like this? That's really random for a video, but you know. Okay. Period. And my brother has been sleeping a lot because he's probably like staying up all night. Like I kind of do, but I go back at 11:30. My owl things. Period. Dude, I just love these fidgets. Amazing. Amazing. Alright. So make sure to subscribe. Comment down below what you recommend next. Give it the thumbs up and turn on push notifications. And yeah, I know like I said I'll be vlogging. I probably will be vlogging like later on. There's 20 more days to Palm Springs, guys. I'm so excited to go there. It's the best thing ever. If you love swimming, playing with your friends, cousins, that's of uncles, aunts, cousins, friends, and cousins, friends. I'm just kidding. But yeah, have a good day, guys. Have a good day.